are all symptoms of a cold or the flu, but they also could be allergy symptoms. And on today's Allergy Solutions by our friends at Allegra, we're giving you tips on how to determine whether you're suffering from a cold, the flu, or if it's your allergies.
Flu or allergies.
Cold and flu symptoms are caused by an actual virus and can include cough, sore throat, and fever. Allergies are caused by allergens that trigger an immune response from your body, resulting in sneezing, runny nose, itchy, watery eyes, nasal congestion, or sinus pressure. There are a number of different allergy triggers. The most common include pollen, dust mites, mold, and animal dander. If you determine that something has triggered your allergies, you can take an over-the-counter antihistamine to ease your symptoms. And remember to consult your doctor if you have any questions or concerns about your allergies.
Cold, flu, allergy, by Allegra, powerful, non-drowsy 24-hour allergy relief.
And a little blurb of knowledge. Well, take that if you want. And
Binder & Binder is America's most successful Social Security disability advocates. Binder & Binder, 1-800-66-BIN.
Okay, so now we're going to do an advertisement and stretching, so turn the sound down. So stretch however you want, however you feel. So keep stretching until it comes back on again.